Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're on our last lesson for systems of linear equations. Of course, we're not doing linear equations anymore, but we're still working on systems. And so today we're going to be looking at how we can graph systems of linear inequalities. Ooh, never thought of that now, did you? So if you need a refresher on how we graph inequalities in the coordinate plane, please check my video on that. Okay? So today we're going to learn how to graph the systems. So system of inequalities is pretty much the same thing as the system of equations. It's a join together of two or more inequalities, and that's it. All you need to know. No, it's not all you need to know, but it's a good introduction. All right, and now I'm going to show you how systems work. How systems work. Alright, so here's an example of a system right here. Alright, so we have y is greater than 2x minus 3, and y is less than or equal to negative 2x plus 4. So really the best way to represent solutions of the systems is by graphing. Don't need to worry about errors. You just need to you don't need to worry about approximation errors. You just need to make sure you drew it correctly and shaded the correct regions properly. Alright, so we got y is greater than 2x minus 3. We're going to graph that first. And then, oh, wait. I forgot. This is a greater than sign. We have to have a dash sign. And then I'm going to be shading in pencil here. We're going to need to graph above the line, because that's a greater than sign. So I'm going to shade this in pencil. And you'll see why in a bit. So that's the solution for that inequality though. Now we move on to y is less than or equal to negative 2x plus 4. So I'm going to head back to this ink pen. And we're going to do plus 4. And notice that you have to go below the line because this is a less than or equal to sign. So I'm going to shade this in pencil again. Don't worry, need to shade this area. Alright, so now we graph. Now, what is the solution to the system? Actually, a better question is, what is the solution set? Well, the solution is where the shaded regions of the two inequalities overlap with each other. Okay? So as we notice that we graph here for this inequality and then graph here for this inequality. It's this region right here that we had to shade. And you don't need to see that. And that, my friends, is how we solve a system, is how we graph the system of linear inequalities. And this dark pencil areas are solutions for only one inequality, and then the one in marker is solutions to both. Okay? That's how it works. Alright? Pretty simple. Now I'm going to show you the new one. Now I want you to try another one. How about y is greater than and x plus x minus 1 and y is less than negative x minus 1. Alright, so I want you to pause the video and try to see if you can graph these and identify the solution set. Okay, so we got x minus 1 and negative x minus 1. So you just gotta graph them. So I'm going to switch back to pen, graph y equals x minus 1. Shade above the line. And then we got negative x minus 1. Oh shoot, I did it again. Dashed lines. Well, least I can do is this. There we go. Always make sure to check your work, because that stuff like that happens all the time. Alright, so shade below the line here. We just need to shade this area. And then the shared region is this area. And there you have it, guys. Another system solved. Alright, so now I'm going to show you special solutions. There's really no such thing as special solutions. Special graphs, I should tell you. So I want you to try looking at this. Try looking at this. Let's try y is greater than negative 2x plus 3 and y is less than negative 2x minus 1. Alright, so let's try and graph these and see what happens. Back to pen, y-intercepts 3, go at the slope of negative 2. Yes, I know these are supposed to be solid lines this time. There we go. And now we got a shade. Shade above negative 2x plus 3. And then y is less than or equal to negative 2x minus 1. Shade below the line. Now, is there any overlapping region here? No, there is not. The two graphs actually split apart from each other. Therefore, and they're parallel lines too, so we actually end up with a system of inequalities that has no solution. Yeah, pretty weird, I tell you. Now, what happens if I change the sign here? So now we got a shape above this line. And then a commonly shaded area is this. So as you can see, normally we end up. So if you have equations in which the slopes are equal, then you could end up with a region with two regions instead of the three like the first two that I showed you. And sometimes those equations with the same slopes may have a solution set, or they just have no solution at all. Alright? But anyways, that's how systems of linear inequalities works. We are all done with linear functions for the entire Algebra 1 section. And so thanks again for watching today, guys. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And be sure to check out for more videos as things are going to get more advanced from now on. What we got left is exponential functions, sequence rules, polynomials, factoring. We got quadratic, and then we got quadratic functions and equations. It's very important that you master this concept now, so you don't mess up on the advanced math later, okay? Just relax, and all will be good, okay? So thanks again for watching, guys. Have a good rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye.